Buying your first Rolex is an incredible milestone. It's an exciting, unforgettable moment, but it also brings up a massive wave of questions. With so many iconic models, configurations, and histories to choose from, how do you actually pick the one that fits you best? One of the single biggest things you have to consider is how that watch will actually integrate into your everyday lifestyle. If you plan on wearing it daily, especially to the office, you want a timepiece you genuinely love, but you might also find yourself wondering, how flashy is too flashy? Navigating this exact dilemma requires balancing your personal pride in owning a luxury piece with the realities of daily subtlety. First off, let's break down the design choices you need to evaluate. It all starts with the face of the watch, specifically deciding between a fluted bezel and a smooth bezel. If you are eyeing a classic Rolex Datejust, it often features a fluted bezel. Now, there is no denying that this grooved ridge style is an elegant historic signature of Rolex design. But it is also exceptionally eye-catching. Next, let's look at the design reality. The fluted bezel is engineered specifically to catch and reflect light. It glitters every time you move your wrist, telegraphing that signature Rolex shine from entirely across the room. While that dazzling effect is a beautiful symbol of luxury and success, it's not exactly low profile if you want a daily office watch that flies under the radar. By contrast, many of Rolex's sports models and entry-level pieces feature smooth or matte finish bezels. A smooth bezel won't gleam under harsh conference room lights. It offers a modern, understated simplicity that draws far less attention, making it perfect for conservative professional environments. If you are hyper-aware of your watch sparkling from across a boardroom table, chances are your colleagues and your boss are going to notice it too. Sport models are often described as everyday icons that blend in. If your top priority is keeping things low-key, you should look closely at Rolex's legendary sports models, specifically the classic stainless steel Submariner. The Sub is arguably one of the most recognizable watches on Earth, yet in its classic black-on-black form, it is surprisingly subtle. With a black dial, a matching black ceramic bezel insert, and an entirely brushed oyster steel bracelet, it uses a completely monochromatic palette. From a few steps away, it simply looks like a high-quality steel watch with a dark face. It's bold enough to be interesting, but its 41mm case is slim enough to slide effortlessly under a shirt cuff. Watch enthusiasts will recognize it instantly, but to the average person, it just flies under the radar as a nice watch. Plus, it's built like a tank, fully prepared for day-to-day knocks, a sudden rain shower, or a weekend swim. You might also consider the GMT-Master 2. While it is just as durable as the Sub, many popular GMT models feature playful bicolor bezels and polished center links on the bracelet. Those polished elements add a distinct layer of shine. Between the two, the all-brushed matte black aesthetic of the Submariner usually feels a touch more subdued and appropriate for an everyday office companion. If I was creating a first-time buyer checklist, this is what would be on it. The ultimate takeaway is that you must match your watch to your actual life. This highlights a scenario you might easily overlook as a first-time buyer: the social and workplace context. When hunting for that first piece, consider these 4 crucial factors. First, consider everyday versus a special occasion. If it's a daily wear, prioritize versatile, comfortable steel models. Save precious metals and elaborate details for evening events. Second, consider your work environment. A conservative office calls for a classic, smooth bezel steel watch. Creative fields give you more freedom to be flamboyant. Third, you want to understand your preference on design and flashiness. Remember that larger case sizes, yellow gold, jubilee bracelets and polished center links amplify the watch's presence. Brushed metals and white metals keep things grounded. And fourth, remember to pick what you want. Never choose something boring just to please others. If you genuinely love the classic glittering look of a fluted bezel, that enjoyment should outweigh your fear of standing out. Owner satisfaction is everything. Ultimately, if subtlety and versatility are your top priorities, turning to a black Submariner date gives you a watch you can confidently take from a high-stakes client meeting straight into a casual weekend outing. Be honest about your daily routine. Balance what makes your heart sing with what makes practical sense for your daily reality. Whether you choose a subdued sub or a sparkling fluted Datejust, what matters most is that you feel absolutely thrilled to put it on your wrist every single morning. Hit that subscribe button to join the Luxe Pulse UK community for more real-world luxury watch advice. Keep time beautifully, and we'll see you in the next one.